Hello, Matt here. Today, finally, fixing the door. Because if you've seen one of my earliest videos, the door locking, central locking is not working. So we bought this one for cheap and, well, we're going to replace it. Also, leak down test on my brother's Punto. Funny thing, 3 years old, maybe 20,000 kilometers, and it broke. Luckily, while the engine was idling, so one slightly bent valve, we will change this one. One slightly bent valve, we will change that one. No, that one doesn't even need to be changed. This one, that one's okay, as you can see, so yeah. First up, we remove this part, it's already over there, you just pull it out with your hand. Now I need to remove this plastic cover, and I need something which will not damage it. I don't have anything like that. Maybe I do, we'll try with this. That is out in one piece. Throw that over there too. So we have, I believe these are T25, 1, 2, 3, and down here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. So as I said, T25, 1, 2, 4, number 5. Well, this would be a lot better if I had something plasticky which will not damage everything, but I don't. So we'll do it this way. That's it. Now we need to unplug this. Come closer. So we've unplugged this, and we need to unplug this. That. This. Like that. And voila. This is out. Now I did lose everything that's stored here. But as I said, one door card off and out. Alrighty then, the part we are after is right here, so we'll take this off like that. I don't know if this will be in the way. You need to open the access over here. This should be enough. And now we have 1, 2, 3 bolts, and also this needs to go out. Wrong tool for the job. Okay, these are T30. I'd say let's try it out. This has already been changed, so yeah. Someone did a great job, I must say. What the hell is that? Now, what we shall do, so this goes like that. This is that one part that was there. So we probably have to remove something over here. It should just go up in front and something over here. So there's probably something over here and something over here, which is on the back of it, and I don't see it. And also, maybe I should check if I'm getting the electricity here. Not to do all this work for nothing. Like that. We will close the door like that. You can hold it, please. Here's the funny part. See, this is the outside lock, and it needs to go in here. And fuck me if I know how to do that. I mean, okay, we're here somewhere. No. I feel it in my fingers. Feel it in my toe. Well, that should be it now. So, and now I need to connect the door handle from behind there. And that's, again, not a very easy thing to do. I would show you, but I can barely see myself, so. Okie dokie. Please check if it's working. And that it is. And now we connect this. And this one isn't working either, so either we have some electricity problem or eBay strikes again and I've bought a non-working lock actuator one, whatever it's called. Again, either way, all this work for nothing.